Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yup, let's just get into it. And right now we can see that Bitcoin has come down to $15,862, and we even got a big reversal scan wick right here. Luckily, members of the Discord were protected against this, and we are now very nicely in the money, up over 50% on our Bitcoin trade, and we closed our crypto trades for Litecoin up over 40% in profit, and we closed our XRP trade over 81% in profit. And again, I have made the Discord free for general members to join and have a discussion in the general chat. You won't have access to any of the trades if you are not a paying member. Obviously, that you can sign up in the link in the description. But overall, if you just want to come join in the community and talk and discuss and learn and be a part of the crypto mini community, you are welcome to do so. And on top of that, we are having some prizes to be won. Ben offering 100 XRP from his own bags if you can predict the correct Bitcoin bottom. Obviously, the lower you go, probably the easier it'll go, because if it goes below any of these prices, all of these people that guess these prices will have been invalidated. Even I am taking part into this contest. I believe I'm thinking somewhere in here. There we go. I'm betting on 5,362, and Logan is offering 500 hex tokens from his own bags if you can predict the day that Bitcoin will bottom. So some people are thinking December 13th of this year, some people are thinking next year, May, April, February. Come on in, join the Crypto Media Discord, put your bets in, and have a chance to win some free crypto. Again, this is available to all members, not gold members. Gold members, obviously you get all the perks of having my trade setups and me posting when we open trades, when we close them, and obviously we've been closing a lot of them in the money. We still have a Bitcoin short. Obviously, I can disclose, I could show you guys that we entered in a Bitcoin short right around 16,650, and that was a short on Bitcoin, and now the price is well below that level, so I have no problem showing everyone now. But overall, I won't share my trades unless you are a gold member. Now, moving along, let's take a look at Market Cipher on the daily time frame. We can see that today, or you could say now yesterday, since we have a new daily candle, we had a 17 and a -3 and a yellow X, a very big manipulation candle right here. And then you have a 20 and a -5, so getting even more bearish. I expect a newer this low around 15,700 to be potentially taken out. Again, in my opinion, I think this is now institutions and big players are starting to sell, not that they've seen that the price is going lower and it's not bottoming out. If you're an institution and you have hundreds of millions of dollars into Bitcoin, you're not going to sell it all at once. You're going to sell it into waves as you need liquidity to be high for you to get your money's worth. Because obviously, if you sell it all at once, the price will cash, and then you won't really get a nice exit price on your Bitcoin. But again, this is something that CryptoFace has talked about, and I also believe in this theory as well. But overall, you can believe whatever you want. Some people thought 90,000 was the bottom, and now we're clearly way below that. So there you go. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We have a 12 and a -4, looking very bearish indeed. And we can take a look at the monthly time frame, see how Bitcoin is doing there. Let's get on some some other charts right here on Bitstamp. A 12 and a 0 on a weekly, a 12 and a -4, and on the daily, a 20 and a -5. So indeed, we are once again getting into that red money flow, which is not good. And once we are in bear markets, we stay in the red money flow significantly longer than we stay into the green money flow, and that's starting to show itself here. Now again, where could Bitcoin be going? Some people are now saying that this is the bottom. We're getting ready to moon right back up. But if you take a look at the S&P 500, you can make the case that we are getting ready to potentially getting another leg towards the upside. Again, this could be bullish consolidation. It is a it is a holiday week for, in my opinion, not my opinion, but it is going to be a holiday week. There's going to be less volume in the markets, and we already know when there's less volume and less things traded, price tends to trend sideways or tends to trend towards the upside, as you guys can see. in August when we had that low volume month in August. I think it was around here, July, August. Yeah, we were, you'll tend to trend sideways and towards the upside, and that's exactly what happened in August. And boom, after August, you saw that the price started to crash. Right around near the end of August, you saw the price start to come back down. September was a complete free fall along with October, and now November or near the end of October, we start getting a nice little rally here. But in my opinion, this rally could come to a sharp end if we don't get over this little orange trend line that I have drawn right here, which has previously acted as support and has acted as resistance. We are going to see the price come back down to 37.96 or potentially 3700 or 3850, color whatever you want around these areas of support. But overall, I expect the market to roll over. And on Wednesday, we have the FOMC minutes coming out. So the statement from the previous meeting is going to be released to the public around 2 p.m. on Wednesday, which is not a lot of time for the market to digest. Only 2 hours, and obviously the markets will react immediately, but markets tend to need to digest news, and Thursday is going to be a holiday and Friday is going to be a half day, so it won't be much trading done this week. So we're going to have to see how the market reacts to that. Let's take a look at the DXY getting a nice pump today. They're up to 107.7, right around the area where I was saying we might see some resistance. Right now opening right below here, opening right on the line around 107.7, and we can see that the DXY is starting to come back down right here. That's probably why the markets are getting a little bit of a bid, but overall I still expect the markets to start to roll over. I don't expect the FOMC meeting to be anything really bullish. And if you guys have taken a look at the I don't have the chart right here. I might post it in the Discord later, so you guys can. Another reason why you guys can join the Discord and just be free members. You guys can actually take a look at some charts that I post from time to time. We actually are very useful, and it is the fact that when the Fed pivots, the markets don't rally. The markets crash because the reason the Fed is pivoting is because there's such bad economic data coming out. There's such negative news in the market, and the market will just start to go down. I won't have this chart up right here right now. I might tweet it later for you guys who aren't in the Discord, but if you want to join, feel free to do so. It's free for you guys. I made it free. I went out of the way to create a security bot to stop all the spammers. It was a lot of work, but I'm doing it for you guys. So let's keep going. Let's take a look at oil quickly. Oil get a big dip today in the price of oil after Beijing locks down, but overall the rumors of OPEC increasing production were revealed today that they were not true, and then the price of oil came from $75 all the way back to $80, a $5 pump in the price of oil. A very big move there in the price of oil. If we come back up, your next resistance level is going to be around $85, but overall, I still expect the price of oil to take out this level around $75, and we will move towards that $66 level. And as we get into Q2, Q3 of 2023, we will most likely be around the $50 to $40 level for oil, as we will be in a deep recession. Again, the market is also pricing in that this is going to be a very light recession. We're going to be in it for 2 to 3 months, and it's going to be over very quickly. And that's something else that the market is going to get wrong again, that we are not going to be in a light recession. This will be a very heavy recession. It's going to be a very tough recession, and it is not going to be very easy to get rid of. The problems that are arising from the recession right now are coming from inflation, and inflation is very difficult to get rid of once the inflation genie is out of the bottle. All right, let's take a look at a few other things. Let's take a look at Ethereum. I think we were talking about Ethereum the other day on my YouTube channel. And again, if you guys want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, really appreciate it. And if you guys want to like and subscribe, also would really appreciate that too. Show some support. We are at 13,083 subscribers. Once we get to that $25,000 subscriber mark, we are going to do a very big giveaway indeed, and a little bit of an announcement as well. We are going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. You already know good old Mickey's going to give you guys some treats for Christmas, so tune in Christmas live stream, and I'm gonna be more than happy to give out some free money and some free stuff to you guys, to my loyal subscribers. So if you guys want to win, you guys gotta subscribe as well. All right, let's keep going right here. Yeah, Ethereum almost getting down to that $1,020 level, but we are stopped right here, right around 1,083, right around this previous low that we dipped at, and we are, for the time being, we are holding this level. I guess you're forming a bit of a hidden bullish divergence here, but overall I think you need to make another lower low. I think we need to take out $10,020, and if we come back down and tag 845, maybe you'll find a bit of a local bottom here. At that point, I think Bitcoin could potentially get to, who knows, around $14,000 to maybe $12,000. Again, once crypto starts to sell off very quickly, things can unravel very, very rapidly indeed. And again, there's going to be regulation coming to this space, and we already know that regulation is not good for crypto. That's the reason we kind of got into crypto in the first place, is to avoid holding US dollars and avoiding regulation. Not to say that everyone that's in crypto is trying to avoid regulation and stuff, but some people don't like to have regulation, right? Well, I like to let the free market operate. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold getting another dip during the day, as well as the DXY surge towards the upside, but as you guys can see, an inverse correlation once again. DXY taking a little bit of a dip. You can see that gold is getting a little bit of upside right here, but ultimately I still think we need to tag 1725 before getting a bit of a bounce back up to 1786. And finally, let's finish it off on silver. And again, silver, I told you guys, you're going to see some support right around $20.67, and this is exactly where you bounced off of, right off this level right here. You can see that silver reversed nicely back up to $21.10. So again, you guys can get access to all these charts. I post all these charts that I created for crypto and stocks, and everything else is available to you guys 24/7. You guys, let's take a look at a Solana chart. Let's take a look at the Solana chart that I created. Just support and level resistance, very basic stuff, but again, this stuff is very useful, and my members in my Discord use it all the time. You guys can see right here, we've been tagging this level of support for Solana. I think I have some previous or some lower support targets, or I haven't created any lower ones. I guess I didn't expect Solana to go this low this quick, but overall I think we're gonna have to add some support and resistance levels here for Solana. Overall, if Solana keeps going at the rate it's going, I wouldn't be surprised to see Solana at $4.18. And I think a lot of people are saying, or in complete denial of Solana going to these levels, but I know you got to wake up and be realistic to the situation. If your crypto and your coin is completely collapsing, it's better to just cash out and take the loss instead of riding it to zero, like riding like a captain going down with its ship, you know. But yeah, anyways, I think that's enough analysis for today. We got the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. It's gonna be a big volatility day there, and get ready. And if you guys want to get access to all these trades and make some great gains like this right here, 40%, 81%, and not to say that we always win in the Discord. Full disclosure, everything is posted on my website. We take losses all the time. No, I wouldn't say all the time, but we take losses on some trades sometimes. You guys can see we got stopped out on this BTC trade, and I think I got stopped out on another one up here as well. See, BTC trade stop loss hit. And I don't always win, but when we do win, we get some nice bags. So 28%, 40%, 80%, that's kind of the way it goes. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And love you guys. Peace.